Shadow puppet. I know what you're saying. You don't speak so much as repeat things you've heard yelled before. I can smell the alcohol gone stale on your breath. What is it that you say? I can only hear the stench of last night's 3 bottles of beer and the rotten center of your fears. That's not speech your abusive mouth utters, it's stench. Nothing you say is worth hearing. None of your ideas is original, parasitic, clotted, and festering. The groans of the disease in your conscience, a clotted memory of your father's beatings, a bricolage of fascist ramblings, brought to bear upon any innocent with whom a life or a room you share. You live in, live out your own nightmare. You pretend to the world as though you're a thing alive. But I know better, you howling corpse. Your hate, your stolen curses, your froth testify to the fact that you are a walking grave. A human lived inside but has long been dead. Me, you can't help crying, your face twisted in a perverse smile of self loathing ire. You become you so well when your bottles are empty and your fears are full, and you're drinking deep from isolation's well. When you can catch her alone, your claws start to glisten, you drool, your sickness deepens, and all your hunger for naked power, all the hate from men who berate, and whom you nevertheless befriend, you bring to the seclusion of your captive's den. Failing, fallen, and eager to devour, you beat her with your frustrations, your anger, and your desperations. You are talking to your father's son when you try and humiliate her. It's a battle you know he has long won, so you become his demon. How far will you go? How far can you go? You who lives for show, you who tears women, children queer apart by day and by oppressive nights, how long will you hide? How tall the skeleton pile? It has tumbled out. The bones are sliding. She walked out on you, her pride by her side, and the skeletons follow. They march, they glide, they are talking. Your time is up, shadow puppet, they are saying. The clock's ticking, the clock's ticking. A revolution is coming, and it speaks the language of freedom and truth. It calls your shit out, your masks of emancipation, and your image's careful calibration. You thought you knew fear, now you're about to find out. What is it that makes you sweat every time my name you hear? It's the sound of truth, clear and strident its call, but to your cunning heart, it's a deafening death toll. It's the sound of a woman testifying to all your crimes, all her sisters by her side. Enough is enough, they chime. Enough is enough, they chime. How long do you think this numbing violence, disguised as victimization, you can keep up? I have seen all your tricks. My tongue, my soul, my back all carry the imprint of your unleashed harm. And they're here to tell the world this is the guise that's worn by your type. I am here to warn my sisters of the smooth ways of cowards like you, whose tongues wag with the abandon of sexist diatribe, fueled by habitual absolution and a few bottles of rum, by mothers who routinely fluff up your damp feathers. The alpha male is the real mama's boy. His mother, his greatest ally, his every domestic and social crime against vulnerable woman and innocent child, whitewashed by another from that very tribe. For a woman who allows domestic abuse to flourish under the guise of a father or a husband's right will only a male abuser in her son nourish. Her son only wants to hurt daddy back, and the only way he knows is by recreating the same drama. So his father's ways he can reenact. And in all this, his mother and him, with silence they make a pact, guilty and tolerant of all male crime. The matriarch who justified abuse in her time has now got her offsprings back. She will play the mother card to lie to the whole world about her son's many misdemeanors. Together they will hide the evidence of his drunk and toxic masculinity, for evil like this needs all the lies and hands that can feed, and the cycle of violence onward wheels. But we know, and he knows, and she knows that we know that this abuser's time is up. He is hollow, a shadow puppet who won't last long once his strings are chopped off. Thank you.